First of all, we do not use the animal name here, so we want to delete it. We have two methods to delete it, but I will just teach one. We use the from. From. New zoo equal the zoo to drop. Drop 不要哪一个呢 ？Colors equal 要打完全正句哦。Animal name，animal name 有 space 加 space。我现在 execute 这边就变成17喽。呀，成功了。好，所以这边提醒大家 ，delete a color，delete a color can use drop。colors color name。Okay. Okay. This is the first. The second one, because the type is our answer. 这个是我们的目标栏位 our target variable, so we have to separate it. We also want to divide it to here. So our x will assume to drop colors equal type. Now, then you will transfer it just like 16. Oh, something wrong. Colors. Spelling wrong. Type error. Colors. Yes. So we just have 16 without the type, right? Without the type. And our y is our type. You want to make the zoo type as our target variable. But here, remember, because here actually is nominal. Category variable. Category variable. But use number. To equal. Hence, we need to transfer the data type as category. So we use y equal y to as type str. Transfer was string. And then go. And our y is without a color, means it's a non-equal attribute. Okay. And then we will try to compute the optimistic and pessimistic. So we need the decision tree. From sklearn.tree import decision classification tree. So classification 1 equal decision tree classifier. And today we maybe use the criteria as entropy. And then lemma Set of these two and lemma split as we practice, we just use 这个不一定是0.03啊，我们刚刚用的是 FAD 的0.38，我们今天用的是108。Okay, and the random state is today's date. Okay, then we fit X and Y. Oh, reminder. Optimistic. Use all the data set without delete. Train and test. It's very important. No matter optimistic or pessimistic, we use all the data set without the train and test. Okay? So it's directly use the X, not X train or Y train or X test, Y test. Understand? Yes, good. So we fit it and we can print the optimistic. Oh, I want to check. We are spelling error. Optimistic. Yeah. Optimistic. Okay. Optimistic. ACC. Because it's optimistic, so the training result is the final result. Classification 1. Score XY. Good. The result will be just like here. 0.9 statement. Yeah. It's optimistic, right? And the second one. Compute the path mastic means the leads. The number at least. So we have to print leads equal classification 1 dot get a list. You remember this? We can get a list. The list is 8. And we also need to know how much is compute raw. Also need to know how much compute, how much predict error. So we predict. We use the classification 1 to predict. We use the X to predict Y. Then our Y predict just like here. And this is our answer. So we will compute whether it's correct or not. This is one predict. This is the real answer. So we have to compute whether they how much they are hit or no. So we use the cross validation table. PD cross table. Y is actual answer. Y predict. Yes. We need to print. confusion matrix。之前我们讲过，中文含混矩阵。You just make a note. Confusion matrix 含混矩阵 equal 混淆矩阵 in Chinese the same things. Okay, CM. Great. Okay. Okay, this is the actual result. This is the predict result. Yeah, it means correct, 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 correct. This is the arrow. So I want you to have this part to the word file for this assignment. Yeah. Okay, this is the first. Please use the yellow, and here we note the correct part, right? It means correct. You are type 1 and predict you also type 1. Which one is arrow? Arrow we will use the green here and here. So actually there are 3 mistake. 3. 这个少数的就是分错的。Also， 这个是一种方法哈。Also， 你可以这样子哈，你也可以。Print arrow number， 就是你的 y 不等于 y 不等于 not equal y predict。这个可以直接算，然后把 sum actually will be 3, the same result, right? The same result. Y unequal, the y predict the sum. Sum 这个是函式哦 ，sum。Use to compute how much and how much case standard cell print has mastic accuracy 等于这个是正确率嘛？等于首先3 是算错的，加上8个 yes 8个 8， 加上每个估0.5，一起除以多少？600，因为资料错，资料总比数是多少？101，资料总比数是101，然后呢用1去减，你这边是错误的，错误率1减错误率等于正确率。 0.93度。你的 pessimistic 一定会比 optimistic 还要小，因为多估了0.5成长叶子，这个一定是这样。如果比它高，就是算错。对 ，pessimistic ACC 等于zero number plus leaves multiple 0.1 and divide it to total instance. Total number instances. And because it's accuracy, so you have to use one subscribe this part. Understand? Okay. 这边把它贴过去。Okay. So this is pessimistic. Use yellow. Okay. Understand? Understand? 好，那问题来了。The other part is your assignment. Oh no, whole out. Sorry, whole out. 7.3 whole out. It's optimistic, pessimistic, and part 3 whole out. Whole out you have divided into 3 parts. And my requirement in the trunk class. 我在 trunk class 要求的。今年看看我们要做什么。Oh, let's see this example. And the finish line, just like I mentioned before our test. So, 再次提醒，下礼拜期中考上机。好，这里我们看一下哈，这些关掉，看一下它要说什么。这是去年的答案 ，optimistic, pessimistic 啊，那参数不一样，所以不会一模一样。好，它是7:3，那我们做7:3。好 ，hold out 7:3啊，那7:3我们该怎么做呢？From SK learn dot model selection import frame test split. 所以会有 that frame and the frame as a split and tag the size on 3 7:3嘛，对不对 ？And random state today. Oh, data set x dot y. 只有在 hold out，也就是 hold out 等于 trend test split。OK， 那就是 trend 70，70比 OK。Then review the model. SC. First, we treat the model first. X-ray and Y and pull out. We want the test or trend. Always test. Always test. 就是 hold out 这边到底我要的是训练还是测试？记得答案一律要的都是测试，因为训练只是建模，所以它是 score， 直接用的是测试。你建模的时候 fit 当然是用 train， 但是你要的结果模型的结果好不好？是 test。OK， 正确率是这个 hold out， 这个。And last part 是交叉验证，我们就可以用 cross validation 这边 ，cross validation 这边，我们 cross validation and see what the assignment means. The assignment tells us we want 5. 但是这个数字会跟我不一样，因为是去年的参数，好不好 ？The random state is different, but we want 5 good. 5 good. So actually it's 5. So we'll print cross validation ACC forward ACC cross initial 对 here 0.9这 warning 没关系 warning 还是可以看 OK 我们就把这个结果贴上来我的答 OK pessimistic and pull out OK is that OK is that OK 好我讲完之后等一下就给你了哈好那我做了前半段后半段 the left part please do not use the left and X redo the following things 就是刚刚我是 all attribute 对不对请你学着我刚刚有教你怎么样 drop 掉你不要的那我们这次要 drop 掉 left 跟 X redo 这样，但 hold out 这是改成8:2，然后 cross validation 改成8。好，请你算好之后放下面。OK， understand？ OK， it's your time。剩下时间我不讲了，我让大家练习。